Hey there, Travel Bees! My name is Adriana, for those that doesn't know me, and today I'm sharing the tips and tricks series again, 2 times per month tips and tricks and 2 times per month shout outs, and let's grow together. Fridays, only Fridays. Okay, so today's tip is actually a question for you to know and realize what is happening to your videos. Did you know that if a person comes on your channel just to send a like, just give a thumbs up or a short comment and stay a few seconds, instead of helping you, actually it's doing more damage, because your videos, the algorithm of YouTube thinks that your videos are not interesting, and that's why people are entering and exiting in a few seconds, and then the algorithm goes down, takes you down, and not in the suggestion, because they think you're not interesting. Because people that just want to do their job as a friend in a community, like, oh, nice video, and that's all, or hit a comment with a like and something, actually takes your videos down in the list, buries it, and that's why I encourage you, if you really want and feel that you like a person and you want to be part of a community, just watch their videos to sustain them for real. And if you don't have time to watch their videos, we all been there. I have a few friends that has long videos, like 2-3 hours, 8 hours long. I'm opening a phone, an extra phone that I have, play the video while I'm doing something else, or if it's seaside, I put it on the TV, and that's my thing for the day. I can see the waves and hear the waves for the rest of the day. Or if someone, like, I don't know, had a live of 5 hours, I will play it even if I am not watching it like this. But this is how you sustain people. Even if you don't be there present because you have other stuff to do, and let's be honest, no one watches a 5-hour long video. It's just for putting it on a screen and let it there. If you have something like no motion, no interesting things going on. And for the sounds, yes, you play the sounds while you do something else, but you cannot stay 8 hours per day or 5 hours per day just watch one video, when in 5 hours you can do all your friends and film something and edit something and so on. But you can find solution for the things that you're doing. Even when I was on the bus talking with my friends and tourists, I was opening the phone on mute, let it run, and I was talking on the microphone. I tried to do that. I was a little bit absent with my response and still am behind things, but I always run the whole video. So guys, if I can, while I'm working, for sure everyone else that wants to help you and sustain you can do the same. When someone gives you, I don't know, a thumbs up and something like that, usually it's a few seconds just for the comment, but doesn't know how bad is doing for your channel, because it's going down. But take notice, and maybe this will help you. I try to do my best to do everything as I can and as as much as I have time in my life, but even if I don't, I find solutions. So there's always solutions. I hope this tip helped you and make you realize things, and share it, please. This one, it's mandatory to share it for your own good and for your own friends' good. So share it, and see you guys later. Bye.